Winpin is striving to achieve as one of the top manufacturers for connectivity solution. The introduction of Winpin's pin header and female header series connectors. Single row, dual row, standard and extra plastics are all available options. 3 rows and 4 rows are also selective. Anti-oxidation and gold-plated for the contact. Provide better stability for data transmission. Selective half gold-plated over tin. Selective SMT, top entry, and SMD, side entry. Customized solution for different pitches. Pin header and female header with optional pitch and insulation height. With full series pin header and female header connectors, Winpin is able to provide you various connectivity solutions. Winpin is striving to achieve as one of the top manufacturers for connectivity solution.